welcome back. So before we start this video, I need y'all to do me a big favor. I need you to pause the video, pause it. Now I need you to go subscribe to this channel before we start. Can you do that for me? So I'm gonna wait. Did you subscribe? Good. Okay, so this video idea actually came from something about Drea. She commented in my last video that I should do a room tour of my pink and gold room, and I was like, you know what, that'd be a great idea. I'm always down for anything you guys suggest. So if you leave a comment of things you want me to do, if you have a video for me and Devin to do, let me know and we will definitely try to get it done. Okay, so I'm going to give you a room tour of my pink and gold room. I had so many ideas for this room. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I had to put all that on hold because I closed on my house in May in 2016, and then I found out I was pregnant in November. So I had so many plans for this room, but then I found out I was pregnant, so then I just had to start planning for a baby. So a lot of things that I wanted to do in here didn't get done, but I still think it came out great. It's really girly, and that's what I wanted. This was supposed to be a bachelorette pad, but I had my baby. My fiance now moved in, so it became a family home, but I still got to keep this room for me. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the angle from when you first walk in. Right next to the door, I have this shelving, and this came from IKEA. It holds some of my shoes. Most of my shoes are in the closet, but some of my shoes are here on the shelf. I have my purses, some of them, and two of my wigs. This black thing right here, guys, is actually my Diana Ross wig, if y'all are wondering what that is. But yeah, just my shoes, my purses, and some of my wigs. Again, this is from IKEA. I don't know how much this one is. Again, like I said, it's been a couple of years since I put this room together, but I will try to look on the IKEA website to get I'll put the link down below. Next to the shelving is this beautiful mirror, and y'all, I got this mirror from HomeGoods, and it's actually chipped. Okay, so it was a damaged piece, but you can't even see it because the damage is to the back, and they discounted this. I think this was about maybe $70 when it was original price was like $200 and something. So oh my gosh, I got a steal on this. It's beautiful, and again, this is from HomeGoods. HomeGoods have a lot of good decor, y'all, and it's like for real good price. Some of the things that you'll see at Z Gallery, because I actually have some pieces from Z Gallery in my living room, and they have like identical pieces for way cheaper. Now these curtains right here, y'all, when I saw this online, these came from overstock.com. When I saw these curtains, I just knew it was made for me. Like, these curtains fit so well in this room. Again, this was a long time ago, so I have to look on Overstock to see if they're still there, but love them. Next to the window, I have a little stand. I'm not sure where I got that stand from. That stand has actually been with me since high school, so I don't know where my mom got that from. Probably Target. It looks like a Target stand. But it just has some of my teddy bears in them. This teddy bear right here was actually given to me from my best friends in high school. It's for my birthday, and it actually talks. See if I can make it.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
And the ones at the bottom, not sure where I got that one from, but this one, I had a lot of surgeries when I was in high school. I had about 3 while I was in high school. I had my shoulder and my knees, and my mom gave me this one because I was so scared of surgeries. I'm just afraid that I just won't wake up. So she gave me this one. This one speaks to, it used to, guess it don't work no more, y'all, but it used to give a little prayer, which really helped me and made me feel better. So that's over here. And this TV is actually This is my college TV that I had in my dorm room. So still using it, still handy. Over here, y'all don't mind my 2 light bulbs that are out. I definitely need to go get some bulbs to replace those 2. But the desk and the desktop are from IKEA. Again, I'll link them in the description box. But it's the, you know, the ones that everyone uses for their vanities. This chair is from Hobby Lobby. The legs were actually wood, like with a light stain on them. But I wanted them to match the gold walls, so I actually painted the legs using the paint that I did for the walls. So that's that. I don't know if I said already, but the lighting is horrible over here, guys, sorry, but the artwork is from Hobby Lobby, and they're still actually at Hobby Lobby. If you go to Hobby Lobby, I was there the other day, and they still have these artworks. So, and Hobby Lobby always has deals, so definitely check them out if you're interested. The vanity is from, I want to say Impressions Vanities. I have to check, and again, I'll put it in the description box. Let me turn off the light. Maybe if the light wasn't on with the, there we go, that's a little better. It made the room a little brighter. But yeah, I think the vanity is from Impressions Vanity. I'll have to check again just to make sure. But yes, this is my desk. It has my little baby picture. He was 6 months here. He was so fat and chubby. He was so cute. And that's the monitor. He's taking a nap right now, so that's in here. And then a closet, which is junky. Y'all can't see in there. I had the best idea for this piece right here. It looks blank right now because this is one of the pieces that I was telling you I had so many plans for this room and didn't get a chance to get to it. But I'm not going to tell you what idea I had for this right here because I think I might still do it now that, you know, DJ's older and I have time to do it. So I'm not going to tell you what it is because I might have that as a separate video. So just know something might be coming, something real cute for this little wall right here. It's really blank. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, it's him and I, Aquemini. Bye.